Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the Bag 40. Okay, I have my pick-a-pocket. Ms Hazal tagged me to do a pick-a-pocket. So I did my pocket, and I'm going to explain that. But I'm also going to tag Miss Cheryl at Ink Pulp, Darla Phillips at Darla Phillips, and Shannon at Sudoku Arts. Those are my three that I'm going to tag to do a pocket for pick-a-pocket. And Ms Hazal says you can make any kind of pocket you want to. Put hashtag pick-a-pocket and then do at Hazal Designs, and I'll have all that in my description and down in the comments down there. So what I did was, I'm working on Christina's journal, and it's a big journal, so I needed a page pocket for her. And everybody is doing this bust a canvas, and I thought, why can't I do a bust a canvas for a journal page? So that's what I did. I did bust a canvas, but I used my book pages and used it for a pocket. So this is how I did it. You do it just like you do if you were doing bust a canvas. I took my book page, and this is a I think a 1930s children's book, large book page. I folded it in half, and then opened it up, and on the inside I decoupaged a napkin facing up like this on the page. So when I closed it, the napkin was right side down. Then I found my center just like you do on bust a canvas, and I cut it in quarters and then cut the quarters in half, rolled them up. I used my paintbrush, and it's a number 2 round paintbrush, a flat paintbrush, and I rolled it down like that, and I rolled all of them down. I pushed 2 kind of flat, but I rolled them and pushed them flat so they would bounce with that. They're kind of stiff with the Mod Podge, and you want to do it when the Mod Podge is almost dry. That way, when you roll it with the paintbrush, and then you adhere the very end of it on the inside here. See? Right there. When you adhere that with the glue and let the Mod Podge finish drying, it'll dry in that shape, so it'll have that bounce to it. Okay, so I did that around, let that finish drying and stuff. For the inside, I took one, because I got to have my mixed media stuff, so I used one of my master boards, mixed media master boards that I had done, and covered it with lace, and then just glued it down to the inside of the book page. And I just wanted the butterflies to look like they were just busting out and escaping, so I put the butterflies around so they'd bust out and escape. I used the butterflies here. I glued them down with Fabri-Tac so they wouldn't come off, and did the variety there so it'd be kind of 3D like they're flying out. Some's off the page. I used some applique butterflies, and I did a white applique butterfly up here, and then I glued the page together for a side opening, and then I glued it down on this antique it is a Saturday Evening Post page, and I glued it all the way down. I was going to leave a back pocket, but the paper it's not brittle, but it's a little fragile, so I wanted to reinforce that paper as well, so I glued the whole pocket down to it and just left the center open so I could slide a tag in it. And then for the top of the tag, I just put another one of the white appliques there so it would stick out. I left the side opening for the pocket part, and on it, I just put another piece of the master board, slid in there like a big old journaling card. That was already on the master board, so I figured that part just belonged with it. And then on the back, I put some ledger paper on the back of it. This will also double as a writing board. And that just slides in, and of course you know how to be a little bougie, so I had to put my little doll lace there. And that is her pocket page, and that is what I chose to do for Pick a Pocket. I took my version of Busted Canvas and made me a Busted Canvas pocket page. There we have it. Okay. All right. Now the Pick a Pocket collab that Ms Hazal is doing is an open collaboration, so you don't have to be tagged. If you want to do a Pick a Pocket and post it on your Instagram or your YouTube or Facebook, and choose some friends, 3 friends to tag to make one, you go right ahead. Feel free to do it. Just in your description, your header title description, put at Hazal, and I'm not even going to try to say the rest of it, but put Ms Hazal's handle there so she can see it, and hashtag Pick a Pocket. So there we have it, and I will put all that in the description for you. Okay. Bye.